Dear learner, we shall discuss about quadratic equation. Now we will discuss about the nature of the roots. The discriminant. The expression under radical sign in the formula b square minus 4ac is called the discriminant. The discriminant will take on a value that is positive, 0 or negative. The value of a discriminant indicates two distinct real solutions, one real solution or no real solution respectively. Thus, we can easily learn the nature of root by following table. The value of d, nature of roots and roots. When discriminant, that is d greater than 0, the nature of roots will be real and unequal, and roots will be minus b plus minus under root d upon 2a. When d equal to 0, the nature of roots are real and equal, and each root will be minus b upon 2a. When d less than 0, there is no real roots and roots will be non-one. Take an example. Use the discriminant to determine the number and type of solution for the following equation. The equation is 5 minus 4x plus 12x square equal to 0. That is 12x square minus 4x plus 5 equal to 0. Here a equal to 12, b equal to minus 4 and c equal to 5. And d equal to b square minus 4ac, that is minus 4 square minus 4 multiply with 12 and 5, which gives 16 minus 240, that is minus 224. Since d less than 0, hence the equation has no real roots. Now we will discuss about application of quadratic equation. One of the most important application of quadratic equation is solving different word problems which comes in our day-to-day life. And word problems, instead of giving the equation directly to solve, the problem is presented in the form of a story. Based on the story, you have to form the equation and solve it. And different steps to solving a word problem. The step 1 is to identify the unknown, that is unknown quantity. Let it be represented by a letter, different variable like x, y, or any variables x, y, z, a, b, c, anyone. The second step is form the quadratic equation using the given information. Solve the equation, and the last one step is check if your solution satisfies the problems. Take an example. The length and breadth of a rectangle are 3x plus 1 and 2x minus 1 centimeter respectively. If the area of the rectangle is 144 centimeter square, find the value of x. Now the first step is identify the unknown quantity. The unknown quantity is 3x plus 1 multiply with 2x minus 1 equal to 144 forms the equation, which gives 6x square minus 3x plus 2x minus 1 equal to 144. When we simplify, you will get 6x square minus x minus 145 equal to 0. 6x plus 29 multiply with x minus 5 equal to 0. Here the value is x equal to 5 or x equal to minus 29 by 6, because 6x plus 29 equating with 0, 6x equal to 29, x gives minus 29 by 6. Similarly, x minus 5 equal to 0, x equal to 5. Therefore, the x has two values, one is 5 or minus 29 by 6. Both answers are acceptable. Now you check and you will find minus 29 by 6 is rejected and the answer will be x equal to 5. If you know the value of x equal to 5, right now you can get the length and breadth of a rectangle by putting the value x equal to 5 in the equation 3x plus 1 as a length, 2x minus 1 as a breadth. Now we take another example. The sum of the squares of two consecutive positive even number is 580. Find the numbers. That means find these two consecutive positive even numbers. At first you have to identify the unknown quantity. Let us take one number is x, therefore the second number will be x plus 2 because these are the two positive even consecutive number. When we multiply both these number, we will get x square plus x plus 2 whole square equal to 580 as per the question, which form the equation. Now we solving the equation, you will find x square plus 4x plus 4 equal to 580, which gives 2x square plus 4x minus 576 equal to 0. Again we simplify, we get x square plus 2x minus 288 equal to 0. When we factorize it, we will find x minus 16 multiply with x plus 18 equal to 0, which gives x minus 16 equal to 0 or x plus 18 equal to 0. Here the value x equal to 16 or x equal to minus 18. Are both answer are acceptable? Now you check. You will find minus 18 will be rejected and the required value is x equal to 16 and the number are 16 and 18 because we take the first number as x equal to 16, another number is x plus 2, that is 16 plus 2 which is 18. That is the consecutive positive numbers are 16 and 18. Dear learners, I hope that you have enjoyed learning with us. For more practice and information, log in to www.mooc.nios.ac.in or you can mail to aomaths@nios.ac.in.